We have to take sine A common from the numerator and the cos A common from the denominator. So sine A common, it will be 1 minus 2 sine square A divided by cos A common. So it is cos A into bracket 2 cos square A minus 1. Now what we need on the RHS side? Tan A. So already we got here sin A by cos A as tan A. That means this bracket anyhow we need to cancel it out. Now for cancelling out, substitute the value of sine into cos. So sin A by cos A, take it separately. Numerator is 1 minus 2 sine square A. We can write as 1 minus 2. Value of sine square A as 1 minus cos square A. Right? Denominator keep that as it is. 2 cos square A minus 1. Simplify numerator. 1, 2 into minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into plus 2 is plus 2 cos square A. Divided by 2 cos square A minus 1 is equal to into tan A. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 2 cos square A divided by 2 cos square A minus 1 into tan A. So now numerator and denominators are. So this is plus 2 cos square A plus 2 cos square A minus 1. This side is also minus 1. That means this bracket and this bracket is exactly same. So we can cancel it out. So what is left out? Tan A.
Okay, ma'am, got it. Thank you.
Okay.
But I don't have this sum. I have only two sums. Those are very
Just
different.
now I also told you that's the reason I've taken from the Hansika. And this is an NCRT question actually. The further we have to solve the same question.
Mom, can I send you the sum which I have doubt, mom?
Question number, tell me, I have your book.
23 itself, mom. 23 the first week I solved half, mom, but after that I couldn't.
Easy. Cot theta minus tan theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. Weber, have you solved this question? Weber,
No,
have you solved this question? Why?
ma'am, I just got the questions now. I mean, I got my phone back right now.
Right now?
Yes.
Yesterday itself I have given you.
Ma'am, my dad sent it today.
So you have not solved anything then. For 25 questions done, you have not done
No,
anything
ma'am,
then.
I'll do it now.
Yes, others who have solved it. Sai Krupa?
Ma'am, even I was gonna answer this question.
Yes.
Mom, the cot will be cos theta by sin theta. Then minus tan theta will be minus sin theta by cos theta.
Then
Then LCM
LCM is
sin theta cos theta.
numerator.
Cos square theta sin square theta.
What you need in see the RHS. What you need in the numerator.
Sin numerator, mom.
No, yeah, what is needed in the numerator?
2
Needed.
cos square theta minus
2
1.
cos square theta. That means you don't need sin square theta.
Yes, mom.
Can you replace? Can you substitute this?
Ma'am, so cos squared
One
theta.
second, 1 second, Cyclopa now. Now he is telling. Mithun,
Yes, mom.
can you replace sin square
Yes, mom.
with
Cos square with 1 plus cos square.
1 plus
Sorry, 1 minus cos square.
1 minus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So this will be cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. So cos square plus cos square is
2 cos square.
2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta.
Yes.
That's it.
I solved till the third part, ma'am. Then I couldn't solve the
On the
simplification.
23rd second also the same part.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you solve the 13th question?
Which one? 13th one. Rationalize. Sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosec theta plus cos theta, cot theta. Plus you need. So here cosec means what? 1 by sin theta plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So ultimately what you need? 1 plus cos theta by sin theta you need. What you have? Sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So how to get 1 plus cos theta? Yes, Nishant.
Ma'am, can
You
you
need
repeat
actually
it again?
in front of you I have written.
Oh.
So you actually need cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So that means here 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So from this part, LHS sin theta by 1 minus cos theta, you need to get 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So what has to be done?
Ma'am, can I done?
Nishant has a doubt. 1 second. Yes, Nishant.
What did it previous? I was disconnected. Something.
And this one in front of you. So this part I have simplified. I got 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Now I need this part from this part. How to do?
Mm, Can we rationalize it?
Yes, that is only we have to do. 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So numerator will become sin theta into 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta will become
Cosec theta.
1 minus cos square
Sin square theta.
sin square
Square theta.
theta. So one sin get cancelled. So 1 plus cos theta
Square
by
theta. Sin
sin
and
theta. Now
theta.
divide separately.
1 by
1 by
sin
sin
theta.
theta plus cos theta by sin theta. So this is equal to 1 by
Cosec
sin
theta
is
by-
cosec theta.
Cosec theta
By
Cos
plus
theta
cot
by sin
theta.
theta
cot
is
theta.
cot theta. This is your RHS. Clear? Any other doubts anyone has till 25?
No.
26 but not 16, 16.
I told her 25 times. So. Which one?
16th one.
16th one. Okay. Tan square theta minus sin square theta. We have to show it is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. So it is in the difference form and that will also become the product form. So tan square right into sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Further what to do? Ankur, further?
Make the denominator same.
How to make?
Sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos theta by cos square theta.
Okay. Then? Yes, Ankur, further. Ankur,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, you have solved this question. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I don't.
Why you don't? That means you're not solved?
I'm stuck here.
You are not solved?
No,
Why?
I had many homeworks piled up. School.
So then I will stop teaching. Then there will not be homework any. Yes, Ansika?
Ma'am, I took it as sine square theta. Then in brackets, I put 1 by cos square theta minus 1.
Okay, you have done sine square theta.
Then in brackets, 1 by cos square theta minus 1.
Hmm.
Then next, sine square theta in brackets, sine square theta minus 1. Sorry, sec square theta minus 1.
Sec square theta minus 1.
And that's equal to sine square theta tan square theta is equal to RHS.
That is RHS. That's right.
Ma'am, I did it in the method you did it. Like I took sine square theta common.
Okay, here the same thing you will get it. Then here sine square theta. Then further
1 minus cos square theta, which is again sine square theta. It becomes sine by cos becomes tan, and
that's it. Both are right.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, the 18th sum.
Sec square minus cos square is equal to tan square plus sine square you have to show.
No, ma'am, not that one, ma'am.
Then
18th one. Cosec theta plus sine theta.
same thing as the earlier one. Your 17th one. Exactly 17th how you have solved.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly same with the 18th one. You have solved 17th. How you have solved? Tell me.
Ma'am, I converted the second cos into, yes, ma'am, sec into, I converted it into cos, ma'am.
Okay.
And then I rationalized, I took LCM
Hmm.
and then I multiplied and I got a value.
What value
Then,
you got?
ma'am, I got sec square theta.
Hmm.
Then I took the RHS and then I used the a square plus b square
No,
formula.
that method is not always that all teachers won't consider that method. You cannot leave that in between. If it is possible, there are few questions the teachers knows. That is from where it is complicated, then only. It is not complicated. You can easily solve all the RHS to get LHS to get the RHS. No need to keep it halfway.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
in the 16th question, the third step, how did you take sine square theta common?
So here, this is sine square theta and sine square theta into cos square theta.
Means it is there in multiplication. How can you take it common?
So this is A minus AB. Then can you take A?
Yes.
Then what will be in the bracket?
Sine 1b.
1 minus
1
B.
minus b.
That is
Yes, ma'am.
only
I got it.
ma'am, otherwise, which method will we do for it, ma'am?
Sec theta plus cos theta into sec theta minus cos theta is equal to, you have to show tan square theta plus sin square theta. Plus, right? Okay. So here sec you have converted into cos. Okay, fine. But here it is difficulty 1 plus cos square you are getting. Okay, fine. So you will get here 1 plus cos square theta by cos theta into 1 minus
Cos square
cos square
theta
theta by cos theta.
cos theta.
Then
1 plus cos square theta
hmm,
into bracket 1 minus cos square theta.
what will happen?
That 1 minus cos square theta will be sin square theta.
Okay, this is sin square theta. Denominator is cos square
Cos
theta.
square theta.
Yeah. Then here this is tan square theta.
Yes.
Tan square theta into 1 plus cos square theta. Multiply inside. So it is tan square theta plus tan square theta into cos square theta. So tan right now here as a sine by sine and cos. Sine square theta by cos square theta into cos square theta. So this get cancelled. Tan square theta plus sine square theta.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, I did it in a very different way.
multiplied that sin square theta by that bracket 1 plus cos square theta. And after
Ma'am,
that
I did it in a 3-line way, ma'am.
plus sin square cos square
Yes,
by
that is
cos
can be done. Yeah, right. Sine square theta into cos square theta by
cos
cos
square
square
theta by
theta.
cos square.
And then divide
By dividing
separately.
separately.
Yeah, you will get sine square theta by cos square
Sin
theta
cos square
plus
theta.
sine square theta.
Mom,
Yes.
Mom,
Ma'am, I did it in another way.
sec square theta.
Yes, can be done. Many methods are there.
Mom, I took a plus b a minus b method.
Yeah, here itself you will get it sec square theta minus cos square theta.
One.
Ma'am,
And
I
then
did plus
here
1 minus 1.
plus 1?
Ma'am, I did after this I took sec square theta minus 1 plus 1 minus cos square theta. That
Yeah,
way it
sec
was
square theta. Yeah, plus 1 and minus 1. Here add 1 minus 1. So sec square theta minus 1 will become tan square theta. And 1 minus cos square theta is tan cos sine square theta.
yeah.
Yes, mom, yeah, I did the same way. Like, mom, I sent you the homework, mom.
Yeah, I have seen. Okay, the same way, this way what you have solved, the same way, this is 17th one, the same way you can solve the 18th one, exactly same way. There's 3 methods I already showed you. So any one method, use it.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubts? Surya, how many questions completed?
Circles, ma'am.
This, what is going on right now?
I finished 323.
23, 24, 25, no, not done.
I'll do, ma'am.
Okay, come back to NCRT part. Samruddhi, we are doing the NCRT and along with that, and I have seen that's your paper. You are not done well. That's the reason I have called you in this. So we have done yesterday 8.4, fourth question done, and after that 6 we have done. Fifth I have left yesterday. So now fifth question, fifth part. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. So in this case, what we have to do is very important. There is a single method you have to use everywhere. That is, in this case, first sine and cos, you have to convert into cosec and cot by dividing with sin A. Divide both numerator and denominator with sin A. Because there is no simplification for sine and cos. Therefore, we are doing, whenever you will get the same kind of a question, this is a trinomial with sine and cos or sec and tan and cosec and cot. You will get the equations like this. We will solve this 4, 6, 4, 5. There are 3, 4 questions of the similar kind. So in this case, cos A minus sin A plus 1, in such, when the question is in the form of sine and cos, you have to divide either by sine theta or cos theta. So that will be dependent on your RHS part. RHS is a cosec theta. Cosec means 1 by sine and cot means cos by sine. So you have to divide this side with cos sine value. So cos A by sine A minus sin A by sin A. Every term we are dividing with sin. Plus 1 by sin A whole divided by cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. So cos by sin will become cot A minus sin by sin 1 plus 1 by sin cosec A divided by cos by sin cot A plus sin by sin 1 minus 1 by sin cosec A. Now we got in the form of cot and cosec. Further, we have to write this properly. Cot cosec A plus cot A minus 1. So cosec we have written first, then plus cot A and minus 1 at the end. Denominator, keep this as it is. It doesn't matter. Plus 1 minus cosec A. Now here we have to multiply 1, sorry, substitute 1 with cosec square minus cot square. So this will become cosec A plus cot A minus value of 1. We know that is it is equal to cosec square A minus cot square A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now here numerator has A square minus B square form. So this is cosec A plus cot A minus, now here it is in the form of A square minus B square, factorize it. Cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now this is a one term and this is second term. This is A, if you consider, then this is A, B. So A minus AB form. So what you can take common?
A.
A, what is A here?
Cosec A plus cot A.
So cosec A plus cot A is common. So after taking common, what is left in the bracket?
1 minus cosec A minus cot A.
Cosec A minus cot A. Divided
Ma'am,
by,
why can't we do a square minus b square?
so what we have done?
Mom, I didn't understand why we took.
Even I didn't.
Mom, in the third step.
Let me finish. So now here, see, open the bracket. Cosec A plus cot A, 1 minus cosec A minus minus plus cot A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now compare this bracket and this bracket. Cot A is positive, cot A is positive, plus 1 minus cosec A minus cosec A. So both the brackets are exactly same. So we can cancel them. So what is left out? Cosec A plus cot A. That is RHS. Now ask your questions.
Mom, in the third step, Mom.
Third step, ma'am.
The
Yeah.
cosec A
Yes, ma'am, and I didn't understand after the second
divided
step.
by cot A.
One value I have replaced with cosec square minus cot square.
Mom,
Because
what-
value of 1 we know in terms of cosec and cot.
Ma'am, but it can even be in
Okay, ma'am. We are substituting the value of 1 in terms of cosec and cot.
Yeah. Then we have factorized.
Yes, ma'am.
Then-
Okay, ma'am.
And then taken common.
Okay, ma'am.
So here cosec square minus cot square, it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we have written a plus b into a minus b. And then we have taken the common factor. So what is the common factor? This full bracket is common. Cosec plus cot is common in both the sides, both the terms. So we have taken that common. That is what we need actually. And then left out terms inside the bracket. So this bracket and this bracket get cancelled. Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Samriddhi, is it understood?
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Hello, ma'am. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, ma'am. I just got disconnected, so I asked.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
So now the similar kind of a questions, based on the same part. I will write all the three questions and then you will get to know exactly what I'm doing. All the three questions together I'm writing. So one question you got to know. The second one is 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. This is one question. Second question. One second, let me open. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. And third one, cot theta plus cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1 divided by cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. These are the questions. Now just now you have solved one type of a question. These are the three different varieties of similar kind of a question. All of them you are solving with the same method. Only one thing difference is, now here in the first question there is a sin and cos. What I told you to replace 1, we are replacing 1 with the square terms. We know this all square terms as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. For second part, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And the third equation is cos square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So when in the first question, if I will keep that in terms of sine and cos, and I will try to substitute with sine and cos, sine square theta plus cos square theta, is it possible to take sine theta plus cos theta common? This is in the form of sine square plus cos square. So is it possible to get the sine and cos common?
Yes.
Is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Here 1 we are writing as sine square theta plus cos square theta. Can we factorize further?
No, I don't think so.
Yes. No. How to factorize?
Ma'am, it's not in multiplication.
So number 1, we have replaced in the earlier question what we have done here. So value of 1 we have substituted in terms of cosec square minus cot square, and we have factorized further so that we can take the 1 bracket common. So same part can we do for sine and cos if one value is replaced in terms of sine square theta plus cos square theta. Are we able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. How to do? We can factorize a square plus b square, right? A square plus b square can be factorized further.
Yes.
How to factorize?
Ma'am,
A
ma'am,
plus B.
a plus b to the whole square minus 2ab.
That means 2 sine theta cos theta will come.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then after that here, what is needed?
1 by sin theta by cos theta.
Can we get from that? Let's try. I will do that one. I don't know the method. I will do that one. Sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta. I'm replacing this with sin theta plus cos theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta. So it is sin theta plus cos theta 1 plus, here we can write as a plus b whole square, sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 2 sin theta cos theta, 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta. Then we have taken sin theta plus cos theta common. What is left in the bracket? 1 plus, what will be left out? 1 sin theta plus cos theta left. But here it is a minus sign. Are we able to take sin theta plus cos theta common? There are 3 terms. This is 1 term, this is 2nd term, this is 3rd term. Is it possible to take sin theta plus cos theta common from all 3 terms?
No.
No, ma'am.
Then what to do?
Keep it as.
Then how to solve?
Ma'am,
So,
that is one, no, ma'am.
what one?
Nothing.
So therefore this we won't do. This is the reason, the same question, why I have divided with sin A, so that I can convert the equation in terms of cot and cosec, so that I can replace 1 with cosec square minus cot square, because this is in the form of a square minus b square. I can factorize further in the form of products. So from that product, we can take one of the term common. And this part is not possible in case of sin and cos. So in this form, the same form, the taking common is not possible. That is the reason we are dividing with sin theta. So here also we are doing converting this. Whenever the question is in this form, we need to convert either into tan theta and sec theta or cot theta and cosec theta. So that is dependent on the LHS part. Oh, sorry, RHS part. So what is RHS needed here? 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So if you divide separately, what you will get? When you divide separately, what is the term you will get it here?
Sec theta plus
Theta plus
cos
Sec
tan
theta plus tan theta. So that means you need to convert this into sec and tan. So for that, with which you have to divide? With, yes, Surya?
cos.
So both the numerator and denominator you have to divide with cos theta and do the same method as you have done earlier. Now in the second question, already the equation is in the form of tan and sec. So no need to divide anything, directly substitute the value as 1 as sec square minus tan square. So that is, you can factorize easily. And here also replace 1 with cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So you can factorize and take common. So if the trinomial is in the form of tan and sec, then replace 1 directly with sec square minus tan square. So in this form, you can replace the value of 1. And if it is in the form of cot and cosec, you can replace directly the value of 1 in terms of cosec square minus cot square. But in terms of sin and cos, you cannot use sin square plus cos square, because there is a plus sign. We cannot factorize further easily. So therefore, we need to convert sin and cos in terms of either sec and tan or cosec and cot, depending on RHS. So here RHS was cosec and cot. So therefore, I have converted into cosec and cot. But now we need the sec and tan. So therefore replace this with sec and tan form. So divide both numerator and denominator with cos theta and try the same method. Now try all three questions. Exactly same kind, but only thing in the first case you have to divide with cos theta. All these three questions clear to you? Why we have to do that? Is this clear?
Ma'am, in the second question, we have to divide by
Nothing
cos,
to
no?
divide. Why you divide? Which second
No,
question?
tan theta plus sec theta
So
minus
it
1.
is already one value if we replace in the form of sec square minus tan square. So that you can factorize easily. So no need to divide with anything.
In third question also same thing, no?
Same, substitute 1 with cosec square minus cot square.
In only first question, we have
Only
to
first case when the question is in the form of sine and cos, you
cos.
have to convert that into cosec and cot or cot and tan and sec.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, first one we have to multiply with what?
Not multiply, divide with
Divide
cos.
with cos.
So because the RHS is what?
By cos.
Sec and tan. So therefore you have to convert this LHS in terms of sec and tan.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the value of cos theta by cosec theta?
Nothing. Why you dividing with cos and cosec?
In first question, no?
First question cos by cos you are doing.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
Everything you are doing exactly same as we have solved earlier. The same method you are doing, only converting into tan and sec.
Mom, the first answer at the left hand side I got sec plus tan plus 1.
Plus 1, how you will get?
No, mom. No, I didn't get 1. I multiplied.
You will get sec theta plus tan theta. Then divide this one. Convert into sine and cos. Everyone got the first part? What happened? Could not get.
Got it, mom.
Sai Krupa?
I'm doing the second one. Doing the second one.
Okay. Ansika, you got the first one?
Almost, ma'am, I'm getting.
Why this much time? It's exactly a replica of the first part. So you got this. So write this as sec theta plus tan theta plus 1 divided by sec theta minus tan theta plus 1. Substitute only in the numerator, substitute 1 with sec square minus tan square. Sec theta plus tan theta plus sec square theta minus tan square theta divided by sec theta minus tan theta plus 1. Sec theta plus tan theta plus sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta.
Ma'am, I'm getting everything wrong because in the first place I wrote plus tan theta on both sides.
Very good. So take sec theta plus tan theta common. In the bracket, it will be 1 plus sec theta minus tan theta. And the denominator is also same. Sec theta minus tan theta plus 1. So this bracket and this bracket cancel. Answer is sec theta plus tan theta. And now sec theta plus tan theta will become, you got sec theta plus tan theta. Convert into sine and cos. 1 by cos theta plus sine theta by cos theta, which is equal to 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. That is RHS.
Can you scroll up to the
Second one directly already you got in the form of tan and sec, only replace 1. And the same thing in case of third.
mom?
Yes.
Mom, in the third, mom, I'm getting cot theta plus cosec theta minus cot theta plus cosec theta, mom.
There is a minus 1. So when you take the common, change the sign.
Why, mom?
So check the minus 1 is there, no minus sign. So when you are taking common, it is cot theta minus plus cosec theta. That is 1 minus cot minus cosec. Cosec minus cot. So 1 minus cosec and minus minus plus cot. You will get it. You are not change sign. While taking common, see the signs.
Yes, mom.
Clear?
Mom, in the third sum, minus 1 is equal to cot square theta minus cosec.
Cosec square. Minus 1, keep minus outside.
Okay, mom.
And inside bracket, cosec square minus cot square.
Yes, mom.
Vishnu Maya, are you doing? Or this also laziness? Don't want to solve?
I'm doing.
Which question you're doing?
I'm doing the second one. I didn't get the first one. I'm doing the second one and then I'll get.
This time I solved the first one also.
I know, mom, but then I want to try it by myself.
Mom, I'm stuck in the second one.
Right?
Mom, I got sine theta plus
Minus 1, there is I know problem where has happened. While taking common part. That is the problem. Minus 1 is outside. So don't change the sign inside the bracket. Right? Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sine by cos.
Mom?
Yes.
Mom, in the third sum, in the denominator, it is cot theta minus cosec theta, mom. So, while cancelling, we'll not get it, no, mom.
You will get it. You have done mistake.
Mom, aren't we dividing it by cos and all?
Why we divide? What is the reason I told you? Now explain half an hour I've explained.
That 3 term.
And can you scroll up? I want to copy the third question.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Here also the method is same. Saptashi, you have completed? Saptashi,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Complete
completed?
everything.
All three?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mithun, where you got it now?
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Where you have done mistake?
Ma'am, instead of 1 minus cos, I took it as minus 1 bracket. This thing, ma'am. Common, I took it as minus 1 by mistake. Finished now.
Completed these questions?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Then next 15 question homework. Till 25 you are done, till 40 now. 26 to 40. No, 26 to 38 solve only. 26 to 38 only.
Okay, ma'am.
Who have completed, they can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.